Hi, I am Fred, an AI avatar. Welcome to ThreadFi TV. Your crypto could vanish overnight. Here's why. Most people think their crypto is safe on exchanges. They're wrong. Here's how to take real control in under 5 minutes. So what's the solution? Cold wallets. Think of them as your personal crypto vault that never touches the internet. While exchanges can be hacked, your cold wallet sits completely offline, making it nearly impossible for anyone to steal your crypto. I'll show you the top 4 options and exactly how to set them up. And here's how to choose the right one for you. I've tested dozens of cold wallets and grouped them into 2 simple categories: safe bets for proven reliability and bold ideas for cutting-edge features. Let's start with the safe choices, then explore the innovative options. Safe bets, proven and reliable. Ledger Nano X, the most trusted name in crypto. Perfect if you want mobile access and support for 5,000 plus coins. Trezor Safe 3, built by security experts, your best choice for transparency and bulletproof protection. Bold ideas, innovation leaders. Bitbox 2, Swiss precision meets Bitcoin purity. Ideal for serious Bitcoin holders who want military-grade security with microSD backup. Tangem Card, the future of crypto wallets. Tap-and-go convenience that lasts 25 plus years. No charging required. Alright, you've picked your champion. Now let's get you secured in the next 4 minutes. I'll walk you through each wallet step by step, and trust me, if I can do it while drinking coffee, you've got this. Ready to become your own crypto bank? Here's the secret sauce. Every cold wallet follows the same simple pattern. Download the app, create your wallet, back up your magic words, and test with a small amount. That's it. Think of it like setting up a new phone, but for your crypto fortress. Ledger Nano X, the Swiss Army knife. Download Ledger Live from ledger.com. It's like your crypto command center. Connect your device, create that PIN like you're protecting your phone, then comes the VIP moment. 24 magic words appear on screen. Write them down with a pen. Never take a screenshot. Think of these as the master key to your crypto kingdom. Add your coins in Ledger Live, then send $2 to test. Once it arrives, boom, you're officially a crypto ninja. Setup time, 10 minutes. Trezor Safe 3, the open source guardian. Grab Trezor Suite from Trezor.io. It's your security headquarters. Plug in your device, let it update. It ships blank for security smart, right? Then create your wallet. You'll get 12 words this time. Write them down and quiz yourself. Set your PIN, add your coins, send that test amount. The community has audited every line of code, so you know it's bulletproof. Setup time, 12 minutes. Now, bold ideas, the innovators. Bitbox02, the minimalist masterpiece. Download Bitbox app from bitbox.swiss. Swiss precision meets crypto security. Pop in the microSD card, connect your device, and here's the genius part. It auto backs up to the microSD card. No writing required, but you can still get traditional seed words if you want. Touch the sensors to create your password, add your coins, test with $2. Lose your device? Just plug in that microSD card to a new one. Setup time, 9 minutes. Tangem Card, the tap-and-go future. Install Tangem app, enable NFC, and here's the magic. Just tap your phone to the card, and boom, instant wallet creation. Keys are born inside the card's chip and never leave. Tap the backup cards to clone your keys, genius redundancy. Set your access code, and you're done. Waterproof, battery-free, and built to last 25 years. It's like having a credit card for crypto. Setup time, 5 minutes. Now that you have gone through all 4 wallets, they are 4 golden rules to sleep soundly. Buy direct from official sites, only don't trust random sellers. Write it down on paper, not your phone. Hackers can't steal paper. Test first with small amounts, like $2 before sending $1,000. Double-check every address on your device screen before sending. Follow these and your fortress level secure. To recap, pick your preferred choice of wallet based on the information we gave you above. Follow the steps, and in under 15 minutes, you'll have your own crypto vaults. No more sleepless nights about exchange hacks, as you now know that your crypto is truly yours. Congratulations. You're now part of the elite group who actually owns their crypto, not some exchange. Want to stay ahead of the curve? New wallets, security updates, and crypto protection tips drop weekly. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest intel. Together, we're building a community that can't be hacked. Welcome to the Fortress. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. This is ThreadFi TV. See you soon.